Hi guys, this is Usama Tahir, and we're going to talk about Shayan, my character in Mushk.
मेरा नाम है आमना यू आर वाचिंग समथिंग हॉट और आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे अदाकार हैं हु वी एक्चुअली मेट अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स अगो बट ऑन जूम टाइम्स आर नॉट बेटर बट थैंकफुली वर इन द सेम सिटी और थोड़े डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ बैठे हुए हैं वर इन अ सेकेंड फेज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस थिंग्स आर नॉट लुकिंग गुड बट things are not looking so bad either. We have with us Osama, and we are here to talk about a very, very special role that you're doing these days, a very sensitive role in drama serial Mushk, of course. I've
Yeah.
jumped straight into it.
Thank you so much for having me. Yeah.
No, it's great to have you here, and I'm so happy that we're talking face to face because वही बात है Zoom पे पता ही नहीं चलता कि अगला बंदा क्या सोच रहा है, and you know,
हाँ, absolutely. It's so
it's
it's so awkward and so weird कि अगर घर में भी बैठे हुए हैं तो अगर कोई आ जाए, कोई दरवाज़ा खोल ले, कोई कुछ कर ले तो आपको इशारे से कैमरा से हट के ना कहना पड़ता है, नहीं नहीं रुक जा
रुक जा
मैं अभी हूँ यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है कुछ.
it
Yeah.
was so like alien-esque kind of like
Yeah, it's very
it was
strange.
very
It's very
strange.
strange. जितने भी मेरे दोस्त हैं, even family members जो घर पे बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं, it's so weird to see them function full on, but
Yes,
they can't completely. तो वो थोड़े से detach भी हुए हैं, तो
right.
काम नहीं हो रहा है. So it's very very
I think
weird.
it's a bizarre new world order that we're getting used to
Yeah,
और
kind of.
शायद
Yeah.
साल एक और लगे और hopefully चीज़ें बेहतर भी हो जाएं.
Inshallah. देखते हैं,
Right.
देखते हैं.
Osama, last time हमने बात की थी, we spoke while we were watching Ruswai. It was also a very sensitive drama.
Yeah.
Mushk, of course, is not overall that it's not about a social cause per se, but it addresses so many different issues.
Yeah.
And your character uh, is facing such a intense issue right now. हमारी जो ये episode थी, and I have to say, by the way, what a performance.
Thank you.
It was such an amazing performance that when I was watching the last episode of Mushk, and we see Shayan, who's already married and he has a child and he has a wife, and he's being forced to marry his young cousin who's 12, 11, 12 years old?
Yeah, 12, 14,
12,
something
14, and that discomfort and that visual trauma, मुझे देखते हुए लगा, is this Usama Tahir, the actor, being uncomfortable in this role? Because it's just so, it's so bitter.
Yeah.
Or is it Shayan being uncomfortable in the position that he's been put in?
So it's a bit of both. Absolutely, it's a bit of both. तो मैंने एक ये चीज़ की थी तो when the girl was being prepped for the wedding scene, for the wedding night, right? तो मैंने उसको देखा नहीं था तैयार होते हुए.
अच्छा.
मैंने कहा let it be. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm not
Right.
gonna. मैं हट के अलग से डायरेक्टर के साथ में बैठा हुआ था.
Right.
And I very easily said, okay, it's okay. I'll just get ready upstairs. It's fine. मेरा कौन सा कोई मेकअप शेकअप होना है या कुछ और होना है. वैसे ही बुरे हाल दिखाने हैं ना. It's
बिल्कुल
fine.
बिल्कुल.
तो so I was very mentally ready to see something unexpected. पता था कि तैयार तो हो रही है. अब किस नौयत की तैयार हो रही है, क्या उसने मेकअप लगाया हुआ होगा, अगर है भी या नहीं है. I had no actual idea, right? So the scene starts actually with me opening the door and entering the room and I see her.
निकाह के वक्त.
वो निकाह जब हो चुका होता है.
अच्छा उसके बाद.
So we shot this in a different way, right? So what we
Right.
shot first was the wedding night. It was
Right.
just in a way that it was
And
easy.
even the nikah is a conservative nikah in which the dulha dulhan are in separate rooms. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
Leela.
yeah, yeah. वो होती है फिर वो चली जाती है फिर वो इस तरह करके वो होता है. But that was something that happened later anyway. For my first viewing of the girl ready in a wedding dress was that scene.
Right.
When Shayan enters the room.
Right.
ठीक है. So the face that I have on is very genuinely in shock.
Right.
कि oh no ये तो हो रहा है.
Yeah, it's like bloody hell.
This is happening right now.
what
Like
the
an
hell?
actual child is dressed up as a bride.
Yeah.
तो दरवाज़ा खुलता है. I enter and I see her and I'm like oh no.
मुझे सुन के कुछ
Yeah,
हो रहा है, you know,
yeah.
कुछ goose bumps से होते हैं.
खामोशी भी है, थोड़ी सी हल्की सी खुंकी भी थी. मैं अंदर आता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ, मैंने कहा अच्छा now this is awkward, and there were no set directions.
Right.
बस ये बताया था generally कि you have to walk till there, take off your sherwani, and then that's it. So the path of walking all the way across, looking at her and trying to see कि अच्छा ये बैठी हुई, and her awkwardness as well as a child actress who's just sitting there.
Yeah.
She just has a blank face on, and I was surprised. I was just using that on what she had. So it was very strange, very strange. कि ये होता है और इसी तरह होता है अमूमन, और कुछ लोग पसंद से भी करते हैं इस तरह. Like how do they do it, man?
I mean ये होता है ना, society का बहुत बड़ा मसला है हमारा. Child rights, child marriages are a big problem.
Yeah. It's a serious problem. They don't understand कि ये किस हद तक traumatizing होता है बच्चे के लिए. Be it a guy or a girl, whoever it is, right? It's not regular. It's not fun. You know, conceptually it might be fun. कि, ooh, you know, I'm going to be a bride. Ooh, मेरी शादी हो रही है. That and everything. But when you get down to it, it's very scary. It's very absurd. It's absolutely weird. So yeah, so as an actor and as the character, both were in shock.
It was kind of overlapping, right? It was superimposed.
Yeah, absolutely.
वो बड़ा real था वो.
Absolutely. It was very strange.
It was very, yeah, absolutely.
मतलब मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना कि जो मेरी mentality जो थी उस वक्त, एक तो मैंने जो शायान को जो बनाया, as his physicality, as his जिससे उसकी आंखें फटी हुई रहती हैं हर वक्त, क्योंकि उसकी आंखें फटी हुई रहती हैं हर वक्त.
Yeah.
तो that कि he has accepted it. He's going to do this. He will marry this child now for his sake and for his sister's sake. So what would he actually do? How would he actually go about it? So that was weird, to say the least. Yeah.
To say the least.
Yeah, to say the very least.
How important was it to show the actual rukhsati and to show the wedding night? Because when Muqaddar Khan says that, you know, मैं अपनी बेटी की मुस्तकबिल को महफूज कर रहा हूँ, and he quotes his own sister's example, which is completely not believable. But how important was it to show the actual rukhsati? मेरा actual ख्याल था कि निकाह हो जाएगा, but he'll say that she's so young कि ये 18 की हो जाए या बालिग हो जाए तो फिर हम इसकी रुखसती कर देंगे. But she's now committed to this man. Did you ever wonder, was this ever part of the discussion?
Okay, honestly, मेरे जहन में कभी ये आया नहीं था कि इस तरह होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस तरह स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा हुआ था ऐसा होता है. I personally know people, girls who were married off at the age of 15, 16. I mean, it's not that big of a gap between a 14-year-old.
Yeah.
तो और उनका निकाह हुआ, उनकी रुखसती हो गई थी. They were sent off, and that was it. So for me, it's not unbelievable to see कि बच्चियां जो हैं जब उनकी शादी हो जाती है तो उसी वक्त उनकी रुखसती भी हो जाती है. तो I think, and for that very reason, Imran wrote that scene in that way, because it happens. It's a reality of our unfortunate society.
Unfortunate reality, yeah.
It absolutely happens. So we didn't question it in that way. The only thing was कि अच्छा ये हकीकत है, ये दिखाना है. तो let's try to show it to the best of our ability कि क्या हो सकता है कि अगर शायान जैसा किरदार अगर आता है इस सिचुएशन में, वो क्या करेगा. बिस्तर में तो नहीं लेटेगा. नहीं लेटेगा. उसकी तो इतनी हालत जाम हुई होगी, वो नहीं कर पाएगा वो. Even if he wants to or whatever, like it's not possible right now.
It's not possible.
Today it's not happening.
Right.
So therefore we just say, okay, fine, then that's it. That's what we're doing. और फिर उसका जो subsequent scene होता है, फिर that was also in the back of my mind for the character कि वो जिस कश्मकश में है तो वो करेगा क्या, सोचेगा क्या, कहेगा क्या. तो yeah, that was there, so it worked in that way.
It may be a bit unfair, but I'm going to give the entire onus of Shayan's character to you right now. Like, you are responsible for Shayan's character.
I'll take it.
कुछ सवाल है मेरे दिमाग में. पहली बात तो ये कि जब शायान भागता है, effectively जब उसको मामी भगा देती है कि तुम जाओ, and he realizes मुकद्दर खान's power at that point. उसको पता होता है कि यार मैं एक दफ़ा भाग के मुझे पकड़ के वापस ला चुके हैं, और कितने सालों से मेरा दोस्त है खाने में था बंद, और खुद भी he's been there for a year or so. Why does he go straight to the police officer, where I would hope that he knows that सब मुकद्दर खान के हाथ में है.
So that's really funny because a lot of people message me, a lot of people
Yeah.
said कि तुम कितनी दफा पकड़े जाओगे बेवकूफ आदमी, तुम
हाँ.
कितनी बार ये करोगे अपने साथ. And I think the best justification that we could come up with is कि he's so angry and he's so revengeful of what's happened to him and what's happening to his family कि उसको बदला लेना है. चाहे कुछ हो जाए उसने बदला तो लेना ही लेना है. वो ऐसे नहीं छोड़ के भाग जाएगा. It's not like कि बस छोड़ दिया भाग गया, but now live your own life. कुछ ना कुछ तो उसको करके रहना है. So I think in that final desperate attempt वो दूसरे शहर ऑलमोस्ट चला जाता है, राइट, फ्रॉम विद इन द गांव, गांव से वो फिर एक और जगह जाता है. वहाँ पे फिर जो थाना होता है, इट्स फाइन, I'm a bit away, it's somewhere of a शहर. अब यहाँ पे मैं जाके पुलिस से बात करके now I'll get this guy. So I think that was the mentality. It wasn't so much के doing the right thing and you know such wrong people should not be allowed to.
But हमारे दिमाग में भी यही आया था कि यार तू कितनी दफा पकड़ा जाएगा.
Exactly. But I think okay, so the way that could have been justified in a more comprehensible way is कि वो इस तरह दिखाएं कि थोड़ा सा टाइम गुजरता है कि वो निकल गया है, भाग गया है, सबको पता चल गया है कि वो निकल गया है, वो भाग गया, वो पकड़ा नहीं जा रहा है. And then he would go to the police and then he would speak to them and then he would have his revenge. But that's also kind of like an unnecessary drag. तो फिर ये तो कि वो निकल गया ना, ठीक है, निकल गया, भाग गया है. What would he do eventually? He would eventually have his revenge.
Right.
So that was the impulse. तो फौरन जाओ पुलिस के पास. और कौन है और किसके पास जाएगा?
अच्छा, उसके पास कोई कॉन्टैक्ट का कोई तरीका नहीं है आउटर वर्ल्ड के लिए, कोई टेलीफोन. आई मीन बहुत कम, there's very little shown of him remembering महक. बहुत कम दिखाया हुआ है कि वो याद कर रहा है. Does he know that he has a child? कितनी देर हो गई उसको आए हुए? कुछ है, कुछ मेरे दिमाग में कुछ confusion है इन दोनों को लेके.
See, what I feel like is कि it was so sudden, right? जो शुरू में दिखाते हैं कि शयान की शादी होती है और मतलब निकाह से पहले जो पहला जो उसकी महक से जो उसकी शादी होती है उससे पहले ही वो कहता है कि मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have no choice. My mother is passed. Right? और फिर वो कहती है कि एक शर्त पे कि तुम निकाह करो फिर जाओ. ठीक है, मैं कर लूँगा. तो निकाह हुआ and हम सोच सकते हैं कि एक हफ्ते बाद या 2 हफ्ते बाद he leaves and he comes to Pakistan.
Right.
वो बेचारा वो आता है, उसका 1-1.5 महीना गुजरता है.
एक सेकंड. निकाह होता है. 1-2 हफ्ते में he knocks her up.
I don't know if that happens, right?
But she's pregnant.
I suppose, right? But no, I'm just saying.
What does that mean?
No, what I'm saying is think of it off the timeline, right?
Yeah.
निकाह हुआ.
हाँ.
1 हफ्ता.
ठीक है.
He leaves.
ठीक है.
Right?
ठीक है.
1 हफ्ता निकाह हुआ, वो आ जाता है पाकिस्तान में जो भी उसका सिलसिला होता है तो वो 40 दिन गुजारता है वहाँ पे.
ठीक है.
Right? However it is, 40 दिन गुजारता है. कितना हो गया? 1.25 महीने.
ठीक है. Okay.
Right? 1.25 महीने ना. I mean, it's not more than that.
ठीक है.
And then all hell breaks loose.
Yeah.
So he didn't know. Maybe Meg didn't know. Because the duration is not 1 year that he's in Qaid.
But Osama, how does this add up then?
What?
She has to be pregnant 9 months to have a baby.
Sure.
And she comes back to Pakistan with a baby.
Yeah.
So duration तो साल तक तो तहखाने में होगी ना, in captivity.
साल से ज़्यादा है.
साल से ज़्यादा है.
Yeah. जो है, I think it's if I'm not mistaken, 1.5 साल से 2 साल टाइप दिखाते हैं कि इतना वक्त गुजर गया. Right? So within that time, it's possible.
Of course it's possible. Yeah.
बच्चा हुआ.
हाँ.
And then you know because वो बिल्कुल newborn baby तो नहीं आता है.
नहीं. Yeah. But he doesn't know that there's a baby.
Not to my knowledge.
No, he doesn't know. Right. Okay, so now my question, because you're saying not to my knowledge, how involved are you in a character when you're signing up for a character?
100%.
100%.
That's the only thing that I really look forward to. I mean, कहानी जो है वो तो है. The overall arc always matters.
Yeah.
Right? But then the secondary thing is कि उस arc को चलाने के लिए आपको character चाहिए होता है. तो अगर character में कोई दम ना हो, कुछ हो ना कि उसके पीछे जो चल रहा हो, तो फिर वो चीज़ बनेगी नहीं.
Of course.
Right?
And you're a drama student, so you know all of this. It's not coming to you ऐसे ही शुगलन.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I do have to think about it.
Yeah.
Right? So every single character that I've done till date, I would like to say कि well, not every single character, that would be a lie. Okay, there has always been the character to be the reason why I would do the character, because there have been many opportunities jo aayi hain, which have been very run of the mill, regular, stereotypical almost characters,
right,
which we've seen, dealt with, and gotten over with as
with
viewers.
okay, yeah,
देख लिया, पता है यही होता है, ये होगा उसके साथ, ये नहीं होगा उसके साथ, या ये बुरा होगा, बहुत stereotypical चलता है. What I try to look for is more of a 3D approach.
right,
बुरा है तो क्यों है बुरा? हर बुरा इंसान बुरा नहीं होता है, उसमें थोड़ी अच्छाई होती है. जो हर अच्छा आदमी है उसमें जरूरी नहीं कि सब कुछ अच्छा ही हो, थोड़ा कुछ बुरा भी उसको करना पड़ता है. केस इन पॉइंट शायान. If we were to talk,
शायान में बुरा क्या है?
that he opted to go ahead and get married to the girl.
No, I don't think he had a choice.
Well, you always have a choice.
Okay, good. Okay.
Human beings always have a choice.
Okay,
right?
that's good that you said that.
Yeah, absolutely. If I was to take my own example, कि उसामा ताहिर इस पोजीशन में क्या करता? मार देता अपने आप को. नहीं करना. करना ही नहीं.
और बहन को भी बनने देता. जबकि उसको पता है कि बहन का मियाँ भी बेसिकली तो पॉन है, वो भी तो he's not a good guy. तो छोड़ता है तो छोड़े फिर. हाँ, छोड़ता है छोड़ दे. बच्चे अगर, in my mentality is very much so, life will go on. Yes.
Right? You don't have to do unspeakable things.
Right.
But sometimes आपके जहन के अंदर वो situations बन जाती हैं जो आप कहते हैं कि भाई ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा. You lose sight of what should be done. Right?
And you give in to what is convenient, perhaps a little, the lesser like uncomfortable option.
Yes.
कि ठीक है यार.
In a way. मेरे साथ बुरा होगा ना.
हाँ.
खैर है. So I think in that way I see कि शायान had a choice, technically speaking, उसने नहीं किया, fine. We can also see that. जिस तरह आपने अभी कहा कि he had no choice. Right? But in my mind, there's always a choice.
Good.
You can always do something, right? So in that way, yeah. There has to be more than just goody two shoes or just an evil bad guy. It has to be more than that. And based on that, I try to do my projects.
What does it take to make it big in this industry? Because when I look at you as an actor, you're an extremely, extremely talented actor.
Thank you.
And you're young and you're good looking. And why aren't we seeing more of you on television? And why aren't you up there with perhaps what we now call the A-listers? I mean, why isn't Osama Tahir up there?
How am I supposed to answer
that? I need you to answer that. Are you being super selective in the roles that you're doing? Do you think that the choices you're making are kind of containing your popularity with the masses? शायद अगर 2-4 थप्पड़ वाले सीन कर लिए होते किसी हीरोइन के साथ, या वो जो माचो टाइप होती हैं stereotypical roles वो कर लिए होते तो शायद ज़्यादा popularity होती. I don't know, you tell me. I'm sure you've thought about it. Yeah, there you go. So.
That is basically it. That is basically it, right? So drama is a very, okay. First of all, storytelling is a very difficult process. Pakistani drama is an even difficult process. Because of the way that we shoot and the way that we have our characters to be made, और फिर जो कहानी जैसे चलती है, फिर फटाफट हो रहा होता है सब कुछ, right?
What 45 days shoot होता है?
Per character.
Per character.
Right. So overall जो है वो आपको 5 से 6 महीने लगते हैं to wrap from beginning to end.
Right.
Sometimes even more. For example, Ruswai went up to almost 9 months with breaks, but it went on for that long.
Yeah.
तो उसके लिए I decided that I have to be very, smart's not the correct word, selective would be the thing. I don't want to get bogged down with multiple things. I don't want to be doing too many things at the same time. I don't want my characters to be overlapping.
Overlapping, right.
Which is sometimes that I've seen कि मैं कर रहा हूँ. Like दीवार शब में मुझे याद है कि this happened right after I was on Ruswai. तो दीवार शब में there were some elements which I could recall कि ये तो Hamza है.
Yeah. Right.
This is not this guy. This is Hamza. Hamza would behave like this.
Because it's difficult, right?
Yeah. You can't like एकदम से निकल के दूसरे के अंदर jump करना. Yeah, it's not easy. You have to think about what's happening. तो for me, I think क्योंकि मैंने इस तरह सोचा कि इस तरह करना है मैंने, तो I haven't done a lot of work, right? And I also believe that to be in our industry, to be one of the A-listers, as you said, You have to prove from your work. At the end of the day, the celebrity is only a crutch for the talent.
Right.
Right? तो अगर आपके पास talent है, अगर आप prove कर सकते हैं, then and only then eventually you will progress into more and more. So I guess I'm still in that process.
Unless you decide you want to be a social media sensation.
Yeah, exactly. You know, just one day I am no longer Usama the actor. I'm influencer / actor.
Yes.
Right? Yeah.
Then you could be right up there.
Yeah.
But I'm not saying A-lister as kind of a bar for good content or excellence. I'm saying it as a bar for mass popularity.
Right.
Right?
I mean, I think I'd say 50% of that is luck.
Yeah, there you go. So
it's not
exactly...
so much कि आपके हाथ में वो है.
हाँ.
Like case in point रुस्वाई. मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि रुस्वाई, किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि रुस्वाई इतनी बड़ी चीज बन जाएगी. We knew it was good. We had fun while working on it.
Yeah.
मगर ये नहीं सोचा था कि you know, like everyone would be talking about Samira's struggle and everyone would be talking about Hamza and everyone would be talking about Mikal's character and Varda's character and all of that stuff. Like we didn't know that.
Right.
It would blow up.
Right. So luck plays a good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Controversy भी थोड़ा सा help करती
है. वो करता है, वो बिल्कुल करता है, right? But then that's just a gimmick.
Right.
At the end of it, what's actually happening after it's done, which is one of the things that I really enjoyed was with Ruswai के 4th episode में हो गया. कहानी खुल गई.
Yeah.
This is it.
This is it.
Right.
Now
what's going to happen? Right. So I think no matter what you can't really devise something. You can't have a formula per se, because we've seen many shows which have used formulas but didn't work out.
They didn't work out. Yeah,
for whatever reason.
Absolutely. Yeah. But Mushk is working out really well. I just feel that it's good story writing, and maybe that's actually what compelled you to sign.
Yeah. So I remember when I was reading the script, I was sitting with Imran, and I was like, dude, situations are so much fun. I don't personally agree with how some of the characters talk or are or whatever, which is fine. That's a creative choice that he made, which is perfect.
Yeah.
मैं अपनी personal opinion की बात कर रहा हूँ. मेरी personal opinion मेरी अपनी है.
मेरी भी यही है वैसे. मैं हर review में भी बोलती हूँ that everybody is a psychologist or like a you know, हर बंदा शायर है.
Yeah.
So वो हर बंदा शायर नहीं होता.
Right. मगर वो जो भी, that's my own opinion on it. Some like Shakespeare characters, not everybody rhymes when they talk normally, but that's what he chose to do, that his characters will rhyme. So be it. We still love it. So similarly, Imran's situations were really fascinating, and it was kind of fresh for me to read that. Oh, अच्छा इसके बाद ये होता है. Oh, अच्छा फिर ये होता है. अच्छा 2 दफा भागता है. पकड़ा भी जाता है. फिर क्या होगा? अच्छा, तो then he really gives it in. I was like, okay. और फिर आगे जाके you'll see Shayan's transformation of sorts. You'll see that something happens.
Yeah, that's exciting, because अभी मैं complain कर रही थी that Shayan and Mehak, for all that they've been given in life, which is a lot of entitlement and money and power and everything, they're two extremely weak characters.
Yeah.
I mean, Mehak भी रो के हशर हो गया. अभी मैंने वो बोला कि यार, she just did her PhD in London. I mean, how come she doesn't have more emancipation? How come she doesn't have a voice? I mean,
have you ever met anyone who are the dumbest smart people?
Yeah, she's one of them.
You have, right?
Headline: Mehak is one of the most dumbest smart people out there.
The smartest dumb people that we know, right?
Smartest dumb people, yeah.
So ये होता है. I know my own cousin who's going to kill me when she sees this. She is a genius, right? She is absolutely one of the she's a genius. But when it comes to regular situations, थोड़ी सी फ्लैट पड़ जाती है वो. उसको होता नहीं, उसको समझ में नहीं आता वो क्या करे.
Street smart नहीं होगी ना?
Right?
Yeah.
You know that that guttural thing that you had, that you will deal with it, whatever it is. I think that's the case with Mehak. Mehak है बहुत smart, है बहुत charming in her own way. You know, even Shayan meeting her, why was it such a big deal? You know, कि वो अगर आके मिल लिया तुमसे, what's the problem? Chill out. It's okay. वो कौन सा कुछ घर के अंदर घुस रहा है, जो भी, relax. मगर नहीं, महक का ये था कि वो बहुत easily fluster हो जाएगी, या बहुत उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है, वो क्यों आ रहा है मुझसे मिलने. Obviously, when Shayan meets Mehak for the first time
in London,
शुरू में जब लंदन में जब दिखाते हैं मुलाकात हो रही है, वो उसके घर पे आ जाता है, या whatever that sharing house that they have, बहुत fluster हो जाती है, right? तो ये तो उसका character बना हुआ था from the very beginning कि अब जब ये हो गया उसके साथ तो वो क्या करे उसके समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि वो कहाँ जाए. So she would just then lean into just breaking down
Yeah.
कि वो बस रो रही है उसके समझ में नहीं आ रहा वो क्या
नहीं
करे.
रो रही है और वो बेवकूफ़ तो है बहुत लेकिन जिसका ये ख्याल है कि my husband who has disappeared
Yeah.
and I don't know what circumstances he's disappeared in वो गायब हो गया है शायद मजबूरी हो या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो लेकिन उसको क्या पता why does she think कि वो इतना खुश होगा उसको देख के कि वो गुड्डी भी कह रही है कि वो वापस ना आए और अपनी खुशी में मदहोश हो जाए तो तुम so all of that
We romanticize everything, right?
we do
Also as Pakistanis, we romanticize everything. हम
Yeah.
शदीद जज्बाती लोग हैं.
हाँ.
So I think that's just part of that.
Is there anything that you wanted to change about Shayan's character?
That's a good question. How about we have that conversation once the entire show is done?
Okay, because
Yeah.
you've given me hope that there's sort of
Some things happen.
Something's going to happen.
Yeah. I mean, naturally,
Huh.
we're in the middle of the story right now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just wait and watch. Yeah.
Wait and watch. अभी शायान को पता चलना है कि उसका एक बच्चा भी है.
Yeah.
और फिर उसको पता चलना
या
है.
नहीं भी पता चलना है. What if that's the case?
नहीं अब ये तो नहीं हो सकता ना ऐसे तो.
हो तो सकता है. What if something else entirely happens?
You know, we've dealt with this a lot with actors coming here and throwing us off sort of off the path. It's not gonna happen. We're wiser to it now. हम बहुत तेज हो गए हमें पता है कि ये होता है. But ये है. So what now, Osama? I mean, उड़ी मैंने सुनी थी that you're about to sign on kind of a haunting project. Is that happening or is that not happening?
Well, okay. So it's a fun project.
नाम ले लो.
Project?
हाँ.
Sure, I can talk about it.
Right. So हमारे सुनने में आया है कि Osama you're about to sign or not, I don't know, Neeli, which is Sana Javed's kind of. She plays the main character, and she plays the character of a ghost, and there's a bit of a haunting, and she comes back to haunt people who have. I mean, that's moti to yahi baat.
Yeah,
it sounds
yeah.
very interesting.
Yeah. So I obviously can't talk a lot about the story
अभी
because
मेरे
I
ख्याल है
don't
मैंने
want
कुछ
to
ज़्यादा बोल दिया है. I think लोगों को ये नहीं पता, but this is what Neeli is about apparently.
It is essentially. I mean, it's not. ये भी कोई बहुत ही ढकी छुपी नहीं है. But it's an unconventional love story. Essentially, what it is. Even from Sana's post, जो उसने Instagram में जो लगाई थी, and Qasim reads. So it is a love story, and it is a multi-genre story, right? I can't talk about it too much because it would be unfair. I shouldn't, and also I don't think I'm allowed to.
Yeah. Also, you haven't signed up for it.
Yeah,
yet.
I mean, but it's a very interesting project. It actually is a very, very interesting project, and the character जिसके लिए मुझसे बात अभी हो रही है, it's also like I know what Qasim's thinking, and I've read a bit of it. It's interesting. It's just a fun take, right?
Okay.
And it is very much so a director's project.
It's not nearly like Bulbul. Have you watched Bulbul on Netflix or kind of a feminism horror kind of a thing?
I don't think it falls into that category. But also I haven't read up a lot about it just yet. But it is. It's different. It's definitely different. It's not the run-of-the-mill horror story.
So why are you mulling over it?
Right now there are some other things that are happening at the same time. So I just have to figure out कि हो क्या रहा है. And so do they. They have to figure out what's happening right now. But so far we are showing interest to see how to move forward. But the character is fun. It's fun for an actor. I'll say that.
It's fun for an actor.
Yeah. For an actor, for me, keeping in mind जो भी मैंने अब तक किया है, I've started to think about कि अच्छा, like I said, कि I try to choose things which are character driven for the character's own story, if not the entire thing. तो कुछ चीजें ज़हन में आई हैं जो बन रही हैं, and I think that'll be fun. The situations are a lot of fun.
Good.
And the direction I saw a bit of work that was done. Qasim's fun.
Qasim's fun.
Yeah, he's just a lot of fun. He likes to play around. He likes to experiment every now and then.
Have you worked with him before?
Yeah, I have. Qasim ke saath we did Hania, which aired on ARY a couple of years back. So even then, like Hania's story was okay, it was fun, it was alright, it was okay. But working with him
Hmm.
and the cast
Hmm.
was just so much fun.
So
We
much
would play
fun.
around a lot.
Are there any roles, Osama, that you regret saying no to?
Saying no to?
Yeah.
Oh.
In retrospect now, because you're so selective, तो ऐसे कोई roles हैं, कोई characters या कोई drama? Okay, if you don't want to talk about the role in specific, any dramas that you say कि यार ये मैंने छोड़ा और I wish कि ना छोड़ा होता.
So fun fact, आंगन जो हम टीवी पे जो चला था, right? I remember I had to speak to a producer about another project. I think it was Diwarish, but I don't remember right now. So when I got there, one of the producers walks out, sees me, he's like, Sama, like, hey man, how are you? Like, why aren't you in Angan? I'm like, what? तुम आंगन में क्यों नहीं हो? मैंने कहा, तुम मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? You tell me why am I not in Angan?
Were you in Diwarish of costume and all that? Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Just generally.
Okay.
I hadn't even signed up with Diwarish at the time. So they're like, हाँ, तुम्हें होना चाहिए था उसमें. You would have looked good. और उस वक्त आंगन had not blown up to the extent that it was, because I think it was still being shot. So when I saw it, I was like, huh. I really shouldn't have. So situations like those have happened with me. Not the sort where I've said no, not interested, or I can't do it.
And then you're saying, damn, why didn't I say yes?
This might happen in the near future.
I hope not. I hope not, because we would like to see more of you. Is it enough to be an actor these days? An actor as selective as you?
In what sense?
In every sense. Is it enough to keep yourself going, or does an actor, बहुत से actors ये कहते हैं कि हम इतने selective हैं that we need to have a side job to actually make it.
Okay, financially you're saying.
Not just financially, but in terms of keeping yourself occupied and.
Right. Yes, absolutely. If you're doing 1 or 2 projects a year, right, then you work for about 60 days max. चल अगर 2 कर लिए तो आपने 120 दिन कर लिए, इससे ज़्यादा तो नामुमकिन है. तो then you're kind of free. Half the year you're doing nothing.
फिर आप क्या करते हैं?
फिर आप क्या करेंगे, right? I produce on the side.
Okay.
So what I do is I have worked on short films.
Okay.
I'm currently working on a short film at the moment.
Super.
And last year I was supposed to do a few stage plays.
Okay.
Lockdown.
And you've been doing quite a few of those.
I had done a few in the past. Yeah. So I wanted to get back into it.
Right.
बहुत साल हो गए थे कि मैंने किया नहीं था. The last play I did was कुसूरवार, जो सुनील शंकर ने डायरेक्ट किया था. It's an adaptation of 12 Angry Men.
Right.
So much fun. But ये हुआ था 2014 December. So I haven't been on stage since. No, what am I saying? 2016 December. Yeah.
Okay.
तो 4 साल हो गए हैं, and अब खुजली हो रही थी कि यार जाना है, वापस जाना है. तो I was about to. There was this troupe that came in from Sri Lanka. नापा इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल हो रहा था, तो उसके लिए हम परफॉर्म करने जा रहे थे. 3 days before our performance, lockdown हो गया था. तो
I remember that.
Yeah. So that's something I'm really aching to get back to, because थोड़े stage plays हो रहे हैं in a very, जिस तरह अभी Arts Council पे festival हुआ था, तो उन्होंने selectively like 2 सीटें छोड़ के arrangement की थी as they're doing abroad with the theaters. तो उस तरह stage plays हुए थे. मैंने कहा यार let's get back on it. So there are a few things that I'm looking into at the moment to produce and to act.
Right.
So yeah.
So that's
stuff
good.
like that.
That's good. Yeah, it's good that you're maintaining a standard. It's good that you're being selective, because I just feel that there's no end to the commercialism. Then अगर आप एकदम पड़ जाओ कि बस back to back करना है.
I also really like a lot of actors I see कि जो 2-3 projects उनके on air चल रहे होते हैं. मैं सोचता हूँ अच्छा ठीक है, अगर ये भी on air चल रहा है, there must have been a time जब वो overlap shoot भी चल रही होगी, which a lot of actors do.
Yeah.
Man,
how do they do it?
Man, how do they do it, man? मैं एक करने में मेरी बिल्कुल ही मैं खत्म हो जाता हूँ. I'm exhausted by the end of it, and I'm also sick of it. Honestly, like there comes a time you're like, अच्छा, I'm done. I'm done crying. I'm done screaming. I'm done emoting. Just हो गया, मुझे आगे बढ़ना है. तो लोग 2 कर रहे होते हैं. एक दफ़ा तो मुझे याद है, this actress was doing 3 projects at the same time. तो सुबह का एक शूट की, शाम में दूसरी शूट की, रात में 3-4 सीन्स के लिए, रात के 2 बजे एक और शूट के लिए निकल गई. dude, when do you sleep?
I mean, amazing energy, but
Yeah.
then no wonder the standard is going down because you cannot commit to a character if you're in 3 characters at the same time.
I mean, some people do it too. Some movies, even in Hollywood, I know like there are actors who do multiple movies at the same time, like two movies at the same time. Um, it's just the amount of energy that you need.
Yeah.
In fact, I was reading about Back to the Future. I'm sure you've seen it, right?
Yeah, of course.
Pardon me?
Of course.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. I'm like, no, you
Of
haven't.
course, of
Yeah,
course.
yeah.
I mean, who
Right.
hasn't?
So the first one with Michael Fox,
Michael
J.
Fox,
Fox,
yeah.
right? So he was shooting his series on TV, and he was shooting the film at the same time.
Right.
So he would sleep for 3 hours a day,
Wow.
and he would be carried into bed by the production.
Okay.
Then for the next day, the other production would come, wake him up, get him ready, take him to set, and he would do everything. And then ये इसकी routine थी for almost 2 months or something absurd like that.
Right.
तो लोग करते हैं,
लोग
होता
करते
है.
हैं, हाँ.
I don't know how to do it. I really can't.
हाँ. अभी एक शायान ही काफी है.
हाँ.
Who's evidently drained you.
Yeah.
Completely. Shoot खत्म हो गया? Is it still happening?
Yeah. No.
It's done.
It's wrapped.
It's wrapped up, right?
Yeah.
So we've got a lot to look forward to.
Yeah.
With what happens with Shayan and Mehek's love story, and then Mehek and Adam's love story, and then Adam and Goody's love story.
Yeah.
All this has to evolve, right?
Absolutely.
And there's a lot. But again, can I just say one more time that what a fantastic performance.
Thank you so much.
It was just so convincing. और वो performance के देख के बंदे ने कहा, oh my god, this has been acted out so well that you actually don't know whether it's not acting. It's like so real.
Thank you.
And I have to say that even the child actor, I think Huren,
Yes,
she was
Huren.
so good.
Yeah,
she was so good. How was your equation with her on set?
She is the most bubbly girl that I've ever met.
Yeah.
She would be on the go, ready, and you know, like मेरे साथ तो अभी होने लगा है, या हमेशा से होता था कि मुझे एक एक बात को ना बार बार करना पड़ता था. अगर लाइन होगी तो लाइन को मुझे बार बार जोर जोर से बोल के रिहर्स करनी है, फिर जाके मेरे जहन में बैठेगी, 2-3 दफा मैं सीन करूंगा, फिर जाके वो बैठेगा, फिर we would shoot.
Right.
And usually directors are like, उसामा कर ले हो जाओ, please line मत भूलना. You know, they would get sick of me for that reason. हुरैन के साथ मैंने बैठ के similarly I was like, आइए बेटा बैठते हैं, let's do the lines.
Oh,
so,
how creepy is that? आइए बेटा आए निकाह के बारे में बात करते हैं, मेरी आपकी शादी होने वाली है.
Yeah, exactly. एक तो ये element, ऊपर से वो बहुत ही चिल तरीन ना अपने फोन पे लगी हुई गेम खेल रही है वो. Like बच्ची फोन रख दो, come on be serious, कर लो बेटा, आ जाओ. She's like, जी उसामा भाई हुआ है. मैं तुम्हें याद है? हाँ मुझे याद है. Okay fine, alright fine, I'll test you. ठीक है, मैं लेके बैठा हूँ, मैं कर रहा हूँ ठक लाइन. Okay. ठक लाइन. अच्छा, कुछ नहीं भूला, सब उसको याद था.
Really?
Right?
Oh, that's
and
amazing.
she's like laughing and she has one leg up and she's on her phone relaxing, no worries in the world. And then as soon as the director calls action,
she's in character.
She's in. I'm like, wow, man, I'm not like that, dude. I know senior actors who are not like that.
But it's so generous of you to acknowledge that. I mean,
oh, dude, I'd be a fool if I didn't. Honestly, I'd be a complete fool. Like she's so much fun. She was so much fun, and she would like हर एक के साथ ना हंसी मजाक. एहसन भाई कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है?
Cute.
हाँ, yeah, she's
cute,
a lot of fun.
cute,
Adorable
cute.
child. Adorable child.
No, she's so good, and the way she goes from Shayan Bhai to Shayan Ji, it's like, okay, ये भी हो रहा है.
Yeah.
You know, all of that. So, again, Osama, really, really important messaging, and I hope कि जो भी storytelling में छोटे-छोटे messages tuck in हो रहे हैं, and I like it this way rather than perhaps
this is the only way.
No, perhaps like, okay, this is the subject, sledgehammer, bang, bang, bang. Let's just, bang it into people's consciousness. I prefer this. That is
absolutely.
entertaining, it's light, there are light moments as well, there's romance as well. लेकिन हर मोड़ पे कुछ ना कुछ आप सीख रहे हो, okay, यार, okay. And there's a little bit of shock value there.
Yeah.
So, good job.
Thank
you. Really, really good job. I hope you do sign on for Neeli because
Let's see.
It seems to be interesting. It looks like a different project, not the usual Saas Bahu saga.
Absolutely.
है ना?
Yeah, absolutely.
A woman who's been murdered or killed and she comes and उसकी रूह वापस आती है haunt करने उन लोगों को. That sounds like something I would watch. So I hope you're one of the people she comes back and haunts. I don't know if that is something,
Yeah.
but thank you so much for taking out time
Thank you so much.
and joining us today. And good luck to Shayan, and he better rise to the occasion is all I can say.
Next episode.
Acha.
Just watch the next episode.
Really? That soon?
You'll learn a bit. No, not so much of that aspect, but you'll learn more. What you just said was really the hammer on the nail, was that एक सिचुएशन को दिखाना या बताना आपको जरूरी नहीं कि आप प्रीच करें, आप दिखाएं कि हो क्या रहा है,
Exactly.
लोगों के साथ क्या हो रहा है,
Yeah.
किस तरह होता है, फिर उनके साथ गुजरती क्या है,
Huh.
stuff like that, right? So you'll see some stuff in the next episode.
There you go. Guys, this was it. Osama has explained Shayan's inadequacies as much as possible, and also Mehek's.
Yeah.
And you know, hame line mil gayi hai. This is the best line you could have given us for Mehek. But we're looking forward to the rest of the drama and your future projects as well.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank
you.
you.